Berapa medal?
Apa medal?
For the 12-meter distance, silver medalist Archer Duo Jorel,
Okay.
and our gold medalist Archer Pacheco Se.
Wow, this is a great night for the two young archers.
For the 10-meter distance, silver medalist Archer Duo with a score of 256, and gold medalist goes to Archer Pacheco Se with a score of 291 points.
Yay!
For the overall, silver medalist Archer Duo Jorel with a score of 645, and gold medalist goes to Archer Pacheco Se with a score of 847 points.
Isa pa.
Lima na, sir?
Hindi pa.
Ilan na?
Isa pa. Olympic round. Silver medalist Archer Duo Jorel